There we go.
It's good.
It's good? It tastes like it, so I should make ice cream more often?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It tastes different.
It's pretty good.
It's like smooth.
Okay, so Michael think it's pretty good.
9 out of 10.
A 9 out of 10? Okay, okay, so.
Pretty good.
She just want to say something like Michael. Kelly, you like it, you don't like it. I just make it for Nathan next time then.
I said I liked it.
Hello. This is just Shae Davis, and I'm back with another recipe. Today's recipe will be ice cream. Okay, so as you saw in the previous clip, I did strawberry ice cream. Today we're going to do cookies and cream. And I want to give a special shout out to Barbara K for requesting the recipe. The first step is to cool your bowl. So this bowl has been chilling in the oven. This bowl has been chilling in the refrigerator for the last 30 minutes. Okay, so I have the bowl and I also have the whisk that are both chilled. So I'm not sure if you guys can see how chilled it is, but you can kind of see that. So it's a cool bowl. So that's step one, and let's get on to step two. Okay, so the second step would be to add our heavy whipping cream to the mixer. And this is 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Once added to the bowl, we're going to secure the blender, lock it, and then we're going to beat this on high until we get a thick. Let me cut it down so I can talk. We're going to beat this on high until it becomes thick and whipped cream like texture. So we'll be right back. Okay, so now that we've stopped the mixer, let me lift it so you can see. So it's like a whipped cream texture to the very smooth, but it's thick. So now that we got it at this consistency, we're going to add the sweetened evaporated milk, and this is like a 14-ounce can. So we're going to add that to the mixture. All of that out of the can here. And this is 14 ounces. We're going to do the entire can. This is thick. Y'all never mess with evaporated milk. It's thick. This is already sweetened, so I don't have to add anything. As we add this milk in, we can also add the vanilla. So if you wanted to, you can actually stop at the vanilla stage if you like. Okay, so you can have just vanilla, you know, plain vanilla ice cream, and that's fine. It's good as well. So I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of vanilla to this mixture. Hold on just a second. Of course, you guys, I'm not measuring it. I'm just going to pour some when I think it's about a teaspoon. About a teaspoon of vanilla. And all you do at this point, we're going to go ahead and mix. But as I told you guys from the beginning, I'm going to make cookies and cream ice cream. So after I mix, I'm going to use, in the food process, I'm going to have these chopped up and I'm going to add them in just a little bit. So let's go ahead and mix this part first. Okay, so after beating for a few minutes, you can turn your mixer off. And at this point, you have vanilla ice cream. So you can literally stop here, put it in the bowl, and You're ready to go to chill. But again, if you want to add flavoring, like the first pictures you guys saw was the strawberry ice cream. Today we're doing the cookies and cream. So I've chopped the cookies up in my food processor. I'm just going to add the cookies. I'm going to hold those into the mix. And I'm going to let this combine. And we'll have our cookies and cream ice cream. So it doesn't take much to mix it. Look like the center. Let me get it. I'm gonna get it nice and mixed in here in the center. And I could fold these in because you're just incorporating the cookies. I could really fold it in. So if you don't have a stand mixer, the only laborsome part will be the beginning when you're doing the heavy whipping cream to get it thick. Otherwise, anything after that, it should pretty much fold in. So there you go. And so now we're going to put it in our bowl. Okay, so we have a nice clean bowl here. And from there, we're going to just spoon it over in there. Let me show y'all what it looks like from the mixing bowl. So we're going to just plate it over in there. We're going to let this chill for like 6 hours before we even touch it or attempt to scoop any ice cream out. And when you put it in the refrigerator, you can cover it with the clear plastic wrap. But for this particular bowl, I have a lid, so I'm going to put my lid on and I'm going to put it in the freezer again for like 6 hours and let it chill. And so it's been 6 hours. So let's check on our ice cream. So take this out. Take the top off here. And let's see, sit this nice and firm. Oh yeah. Oh yes, it's great. So I'm going to, it's kind of late, so I'm not going to do a lot of a test taste, but I'm going to have Michael come in and test taste this, but this is nice and the perfect consistency. So let's see what Michael has to say. Okay, so here's Michael. He's going to be our test taster. Let's see. Good old cookies and cream. No, you didn't blow it like it's like it's cold. I'm like it's hot. What are you thinking?
Good. No way. It's smoother than ice cream that you get from the store. Like it's smooth.
It's really smooth. Okay, good. So what did
you? Give me another little piece, but it's all good.
It's late. You can get a little bit more, but it's really late.
It's better than the strawberry.
It's better than the strawberry one?
Yeah.
Oh, that's saying a lot. The strawberry was really good. Is it because you prefer cookies and cream over strawberry?
Yeah,
Could that be it? So you give this what? You rate it? You give it a 10?
It can't get really much better. It's smooth and good.
Oh, really? Now, if he give it a 10, y'all, that's
good. It's actually good.
Yeah, I know he's a really tough judge. He usually give it a 9 or a 9.5, but he gave a whole 10.
It's
okay.
actually like really good.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you. That's a thumbs up. We'll do it again. Thank you. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. We appreciate you.
It's good.
Thanks. Okay, so now we have Michaela. She heard that the ice cream is ready, so here she comes. Okay, so Michaela, go ahead and taste it and let us know what your thoughts are.
Alright. It's like the ones in the store,
Tastes like the ones in the store?
but like a little bit better because it's not as like rock solid.
So what is that, a 10 out of 10 or 11 out of 10 or 1 out of 10? What is it? Rate it.
9.9999.
Oh, wow. Okay. Well, that's good coming from you because you were like 8.9.
Better than strawberry.
It's better. That's what Michael said is better than our strawberry.
But then again, I like cookies and cream more than strawberry.
That's what I'm thinking. That's what I was asking him. Is this his preference? But okay. Well, thank you. Okay, so here go Nathan. Coming in for the taste. Test. Go ahead. Let us know what you think.
What if I just don't eat? What if I just sit here and look?
If you don't come on, the people won't know if it's good or not.
Oh yeah, that's good.
We shouldn't even get off you none. Yeah, you acting. So that's
Yeah,
where.
it's good.
Okay, give us a rating on it.
I don't know, but it's good.
You don't know? Like out of 10. 10 being the highest.
Like a 9.5.
A 9.5. And can you believe Michael gave cookies and cream a 10? And you know he don't even mess with cookies and cream like that. Okay, thank you, babe. Appreciate it. Y'all, he got out of his bed to do the taste test, so we appreciate him.